and welcome back to Maylan's Mini Science. This time we are going to be making a tornado in a bottle. You will need a large clear bottle. You can recycle the one that you used from last time for our dancing raisins, some water, some washing up liquid and some glitter. I have chosen the Maylan's colours. First, you will need to fill up your plastic bottle with some water. Add a little bit of washing up liquid. I'm going to add some glitter. Finally, secure the lid back on. Make sure that it's really tight. If you don't want to see what happens, pause the video now and complete the experiment yourself. We're going to turn it upside down and spin it around. The water is rapidly spinning around the centre of the vortex due to a centripetal force. This is an inward force directing an object or fluid such as water towards the centre of its circular path. Did you know vortices found in nature include tornadoes, hurricanes and water spouts? Well, there you have it. You've made your own tornado using forces. Now, I wonder what other investigation you can do at home that includes forces. Maybe one including gravity or friction. See you next time.